Okay, so Haley was asking me, how do I manage being a mom, having two kids, having a couple different businesses, and also being in a relationship? Like, how do I juggle all those things? Honestly, you really can have it all. You just can't be the best or have everything in each category. So you really have to pick and choose what is the most that is important to you, at any one time. You really can't have it all at once. Not saying I do have kids, businesses, and a relationship all at the same time, but I will say that I let some things go. So let's start off with mom goals, okay? I am not the mom that does crafts, okay? Me and my kids never do crafts. I don't bake a lot. I wouldn't say like I do like super creative things during the holidays. I do decorate, I try with certain things, but I'm not that like Pinterest mom. I'm not that mom that will make you jealous and make you feel like a crappy mom that you see on Instagram. I am the opposite. I am like the mom that's their kids have messy hair sometimes when they go to school. My kids dress themselves, so sometimes they're wearing polka dots and stripes. We're not perfect. And that's fine because I am a mom who also owns a few different businesses. I am in a relationship and I am very present with my kids. I choose that when I am with my children, I am present. I'm not, holding up my phone and taking that picture perfect photo. I'm not making sure that, their Valentine's gifts are perfect and I took a photo and snapped it on Instagram. So those are the things that I let go. When it comes to my business, I've scaled out a lot. So I have a lot of people that work either part-time or full-time that help me with different things. I can't do it all. I think that there are entrepreneurs that are in my exact same space that do more than I do. And sometimes I get caught up in that mindset of feeling like I'm not enough there. I struggle with that, I'll be honest. But I remind myself that I'm also a single mom of two kids. In my relationship, again, similar to my children, I make sure that I'm very present. I make sure that I make time and I create space in my life every single day for my relationship because my relationships, whether it's with my boyfriend or my family or with my kids, that is number one. Being an entrepreneur, number two. Honestly, all I have and all we have in this world are the people that you surround yourself with. And those are the memories that I'm taking with me. So those are the things that are the most important. So yeah, I have it made in that I have it all, but I just don't have all the things. Or I would say I let a lot of things go to be able to have a little bit of all of it, if that makes sense.